John, a division of Pfizer and Mylan are merging. Once the deal closes, Pfizer shareholders will own more than 50% of the new company. Money editor John Delano takes a look at what the deal means for people here.
Pittsburgh-based Mylan and Upjohn, a division of the pharmaceutical giant Pfizer, will combine to form a completely new, as yet unnamed company to be majority controlled by Pfizer shareholders.
Pfizer is a $240 billion company, while Mylan now is about a $10 to $11 billion company. So even with that Upjohn company of Pfizer's, that's still a bigger portion of Mylan than Mylan as a standalone company is. So Pfizer's still the bigger player in this and owns a majority stake in the new company that's going to be coming to market.
But Michael Godwin, Chief Investment Officer at Fregasso Financial, says this is good news for Mylan.
There's been a lot of controversy surrounding Mylan over the last few years regarding the EpiPen. This gives them a way to really diversify their business, go outside of the U.S. and have more products that they can sell outside of the country.
When Mylan raised the price of its EpiPen 500%, CEO Heather Bresch was summoned to Congress to testify and took an earful from both political parties.
The greed is astounding. It's sickening. It's disgusting. Almost any words that you can think of.
Mylan has tried to make amends by offering a cheaper generic EpiPen, but its stock has dropped over the last year. With Upjohn's products in the mix, this deal will expand the products to be offered by the new unnamed company.
For Mylan, they're getting much more diversification in their portfolio. Many more generic drugs. They now can sell Lipitor and Viagra. Xanax is another drug that's off patent in part of this deal. They get to go overseas now, a bigger market overseas.
The new Upjohn Mylan company will be based in Pittsburgh, Shanghai, China, and Hyderabad, India.
There's a lot of competition over there, but there's also a ton of demand. So you definitely need those overseas presences in order to continue to grow your business. And I think Mylan will hopefully always be a Pittsburgh-based company, especially in the U.S.
Now, the management of this new company will be a mix, with Upjohn's CEO serving as CEO of the merged Upjohn Mylan company and the chairman of Mylan becoming the chair of the new company. As for Mylan's current CEO, Heather Bresch, she's going to retire. According to one report, she could get $37.5 million in severance pay. So what does this mean for employees at Mylan here in Pittsburgh? We'll have more on that coming up at 6. Ken?